Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to make perfect Gulabjamun lalmohan at home. For this, you will need roughly 300 gram of sugar, 750 ml of milk, 300 gram of Suji, Semolina, crushed Elaichi and handful of dry fruits. Firstly, we have to prepare chasni, that is sugar syrup for our Gulabjamun. Put the sugar in a cooking pot and then you have to add 2 cups of water and let them boil. After few minutes, your chasni will be little sticky. Remember, you don't have to boil them for too long because if the mixture will be too much dense, it may break our gulab jamun. Next, take a frying pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee, which is basically purified butter, and spread it well. As you can see in the video, the ghee is properly spread all over the pan. Now, you have to add 1.5 glass of milk, that is 750 ml, and let it heat for a few minutes. You need to keep stirring the milk so that it doesn't get stuck in the bottom. Now, you have to add your Suji little by little. Add little of the Suji and then stir it, and again add little and then again stir it. You have to follow this step until your Suji is completely added into the milk. As you can all see in the video, I am adding the Suji little by little. As you can see in the video, after some times the mixture will be dense and slowly it will look like a dough. Now once your mixture looks like this, what you have to do is you have to add half tablespoon of ghee. You also have to spread little bit of ghee on the plate where you want to transfer your dough so that it doesn't get stuck onto it. As you can see, the dough is quite fluffy. Now take some crushed Elaichi, Cardamom, and mix it with the dough. You have to gently press and mix with your fingers and knead the dough. As you can see in the video, I am making small portions out of the dough for our gulab jamun. Now, once you have completed making the portions, you have to make them round. As you can see in the video, we are adding small dry fruit inside so that when you take that bite, you get that crunchy feeling as well. It's perfectly fine if you don't want to add them. Our gulab jamun is ready for the next process of deep frying. Take a pan and add oil in it. Now you also have to heat the earlier made chasni and keep it warm. Add your gulab jamun into the oil and deep fry them for roughly about 4 to 5 minutes until they get their dark brown color. Slowly you will notice the change in color. Once they get their lovely dark brown color, you have to carefully transfer them all to the chasni and you have to cover them for 10 minutes. Remember, you don't have to cover them for more than 10 minutes, or you don't have to keep them inside the chasni for more than 10 minutes. It's because Suji absorbs chasni very quickly, and if you keep them for too long, that might break our gulab jamun. After 10 minutes, take your gulab jamun out of the chasni, and now your gulab jamun is ready to be served. Enjoy your yummy gulab jamun with friends and family. If you think this video was useful, please do like and share. And yes, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well for much more lovely recipe videos. Stay safe. Bye bye until next time.